Alright, so we're back, Capital Gentlemen. So basically, I just want to give a breakdown on what we're going to be covering today, in the future, going forward. We'll just just a recap of what we already do here. By we, it's just me. I don't know why I say we because I got audience, whatever. I have to cut my hair, so ignore my lighting. Don't be flaming me in the comments. So what we're going to go over, really mainly some of my history real quick. So I've tracked Bitcoin from 69,000 all the way down to 15.4K, all the way up to 176,000 as the top right now. Until we break that high, it's a bear market in my opinion. We got a lot on the line right now to hold the support, too much for, I think, the markets to handle right now. Until we break the highs, I'm calling for a bear market. I've been covering short ETF products that you can, if you so chose to, endeavor your funds there. A lot of those funds have been performing very well on the short side. On top of that, recent call this year with Ethereum from 50.4K, calling out publicly possible ranges of support that might not hold, to be conservative with bags. Although we didn't hit that $7,000 price target, still staying somewhat conservative at those support levels, I think was the best play that we could have done, because really not betting on a new Ethereum all-time high, for me, that risk was well worth it, even though we took less price. Coming up in the market, I want to say in the next year, if you like going short, I want to say there's going to be opportunities there. I'm going to be going short with like maybe micro positions, maybe like $30 to make, a couple bucks here and there, in order to buy more shares of Circle stock at the lows. So those dollars, I don't necessarily have to change my risk too much on each individual trade size, but I can still risk maybe 20 to gain a buck every day. And then, you do that year over year, not year over year, week over week, and that's extra shares that I'm going to be able to buy at those lows. So the other thing that I want to still recap right now, Bitcoin technical bear market, Ethereum technical bear market, looking for liquidity to drain out those systems, seeing a downtrend play out in Solana ecosystem and Ethereum's ecosystem, checking DeFi Llama, TVL. That's something we're going to do. I think maybe not as much on-chain data, because I'm not saying I don't want to accumulate Ethereum and Bitcoin at the next lows, but with the cycle being so weird, I wasn't even able to take profit properly. If you've seen that render position, that was I believe a 140% trade, but with no altcoin season,